Let's learn English. My class, your class.
Today's lesson, the wheels on the bus.